Assalamualaikum, halo guys, selamat datang di channel gua yang isinya tentang traveling. Di sini gua bakal kasih kalian banyak info seru tentang jalan-jalan dan ekspor tempat-tempat wisata yang pastinya bikin kalian excited dan gak sabar pengen jalan-jalan juga. Di channel ini gua bakal kasih kalian tips-tips jalan-jalan hemat, review tempat-tempat wisata yang low budget, dan juga cerita seru dan kocak yang gua alamin pas jalan-jalan. Oh iya, kalau kalian ada saran atau ide buat video selanjutnya, langsung aja komentar di bawah ya. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Alright guys, let's go. Di video kali ini kita bakal bahas tempat wisata yang tidak boleh kalian lewatin kalau kalian Cianjur, yaitu Curug Cikondang, atau yang punya julukan Little Niagara-nya Cianjur.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the.
Curug Cikondang ini sebenarnya salah satu air terjun yang paling terkenal di Cianjur. Curug ini punya ketinggian sekitar 60 meter dan airnya yang jernih banget kalau tidak hujan. Bikin betah deh buat main-main di sini. Selain itu, pemandangannya juga asik banget kalau dijadiin spot foto-foto yang akan di-share di sosial media kalian.
I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
Untuk sampai ke sana, kalian bisa naik mobil ataupun motor, terus parkir di tempat yang sudah disediakan sama pengelola. Setelah itu baru deh kalian harus trekking sekitar 30 menit buat sampai ke Curug Cikondang. Dan khawatir guys, trekkingnya nggak terlalu berat kok, jadi cocok banget buat yang lagi cari spot jalan-jalan santai. Oh iya, untuk kalian yang menggunakan motor ke lokasi dan menggunakan Google Maps sebagai panduannya, gue saranin pakai jalur mobil, karena kalau jalur motor lu akan diarahin ke perkampungan yang jalannya kecil, berbatu, dan menanjak oleh Google Maps, entah kenapa.
Get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through.
Selama perjalanan menuju Curug, kalian juga bakal disuguhi pemandangan alam yang super duper asri. Udara segar, pohon-pohon hijau, dan derasnya air sungai yang kita lewati benar-benar bikin rileks banget. Fasilitas dan sarana yang tersedia cukup komplit, dari musola, toilet, warung, dan saung-saung untuk istirahat.
Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never give those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, hey. You'll be fine, hey. Just take your time, hey. Enjoy the climb, hey. Enjoy the grind, hey. You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, hey. Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control, then don't just take it, hey. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never give those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now.
Sampai di Curug Cikondang, kalian bakal bisa merasakan segarnya air terjun ini dengan langsung mandi di bawah air terjun. Tapi hati-hati ya guys, jangan terlalu dekat-dekat sama air terjun karena aliran airnya yang deras bisa bikin kalian kejedot dan terbawa arus.
Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel, cause this private hill, and it gives me chills. A nice road to feel, I slip off the peel, and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I feel so
I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough. We hook up in my car, driving so far, play you guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the light.
Selain mandi dan bermain di bawah air terjun, kalian juga bisa naik ke atas tebing atau kayoning sambil menikmati pemandangan Curug Cikondang dari atas dan sensasi panjat tebing dari di air terjun. Hati-hati ya guys, karena tebingnya agak terjal, jadi pastikan kalian sudah benar-benar hati-hati dan waspada, serta didampingi oleh ahlinya. Oh iya, ada kepercayaan masyarakat di sini kalau mandi ataupun bersemedi di Curug Cikondang akan tenar atau kondang. Oleh sebab itu, dinamakan Cikondang. Boleh percaya, boleh tidak, terserah kalian.
I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless.
Overall, Curug Cikondang ini adalah tempat yang wajib banget dikunjungin kalau kalian lagi ke Cianjur. Gak cuma bikin kalian fresh, tapi juga bisa bikin kalian dapat pengalaman yang seru dan berkesan banget.
We would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Yo, what's up guys? Akhirnya sampai juga di akhir video. Gua harap kalian suka dan dapat informasi yang berguna dari video ini. Jangan lupa buat klik tombol subscribe dan nyalain notifikasi biar kalian gak ketinggalan video terbaru gua. Kalau ada saran atau kritik, boleh langsung komen di bawah ya. Gua bakal usahain untuk bikin konten yang lebih keren lagi buat kalian semua. Terima kasih udah nonton video gua hari ini. Semoga yang sudah nonton, subscribe, like, dan komen diberi kebahagiaan, kesehatan, dan rezeki yang melimpah dari Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Amin ya robbal alamin. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Peace out.